Okay, let me explain this question. This question actually appears in previous year's PSLE. So part 1 is very easy. How did she measure the amount of water taken in by the plant? So the answer is quite simple. Calculate the difference in the height of the water level before and after 1 hour using the ruler. Okay, part B is something quite interesting. Okay, part B, the students must have the prerequisite knowledge of knowing that the lower surface of any leaves has more stomata. So if you can see here, these are two other setups. Setup X is a control setup because no oil has been applied to either sides of the leaves. So setup Y, the top surface or the upper surface has no oil applied, while Z has no oil applied on the lower surface. So how do we link these two information together? Okay, by looking at here, because you understand that if the lower surface of the leaves have no oil applied, it means that the stomata are exposed, so it can lose more water. So can you see in setup Z, the distance, the decrease in height is 6 centimeters. So it means that this Z and on top here, the information here, and this tally. Okay, because X is the control setup, so you lose the most water. Both the upper and lower surface releases water vapor. And then you can reconfirm by using Y. Because Y, the lower surface has oil applied. It means it blocked the stomata. So the amount of water lost is the least, only decreased by 1 centimeters. Okay. Then with this understanding, you can answer part B and C. So state one function of the tiny openings. Actually, these are several functions. You can say that it allows gaseous exchange of carbon dioxide and oxygen. You can also say that it releases water as water vapor. So these two functions. So based on the information of the result in table 1 and 2, so this is table 1, this is table 2. Okay, which surface of leaves, upper and lower, has more openings? So this one I already told you, right? Because you can see here, I lose more water. So that's means Z. Z, that's mean the lower surface. Okay, because here they just give you, they ask you which surface, upper or lower. Okay, lower surface. No reason required. Okay, then you write down the methods. Okay, using this part C. So part C, they say using the material shown, describe a method and observation to show an answer in part C. That's when they ask you to prove. Okay, since you say lower, right? How do you describe the observation? So this one, surfaces with more opening, right? This is lower surface. Okay, lower surface. So you write down this one first. And then what's the observation? So they will see there will be more bubbles forming on the lower surface of the leaves. Okay, can you see this is the hot water, right? So you put this into the hot water. Okay, you said place the leaf in a beaker of hot water. Then the observation will be there will be more bubbles forming on the lower surface of the leaves. Okay, I will send you the screenshot of the answer key for you to do the necessary corrections. Okay, thank you.